Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Lyft app if it is not working on your phone. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile data connection can prevent the app from loading properly. Next, try closing the Lyft app completely and reopening it. On most phones you can swipe the app away from your recent apps list. If the app still doesn't work, check for updates. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure you have the latest version of Lyft installed. Another step is to clear the app cache. Go to your app and hold it and press the this button, storage, and then clear cache. Also make sure your phone operating system is up to date. Sometimes older version of iOS or Android cause compatibility issues. If you have tried all that and still doesn't work, restart your phone. A simple restart can often fix a temporary glitch. Finally, check Lyft's status page or social media to see if there is a known outage affecting users in your area. Quick tip: logging out of your Lyft account and logging back in can also resolve login or app issues. And that is it. These steps should help you to get the Lyft app working again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.